First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
What's up, everybody? It's your boy here. Who's got time for complicated hacks? Not me. That's why I'm hooking you up with 10 simple life hacks that'll make your day-to-day a whole lot smoother. These are so good, so easy, you'll be kicking yourself for not knowing them sooner. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get right into it. First up, we're tackling the tangled cord monster under your desk. Grab some binder clips, clip them to the edge of your desk, and thread your chargers through the loops. Boom! Tangle-free and always within reach. Need your phone charged fast? Switch on airplane mode when you plug in. It cuts down on background activity, so you're at 100% in no time. Nobody likes spending a fortune on cleaning wipes. Grab an empty container, mix equal parts water and white vinegar, and add a few drops of dish soap. Soak some paper towels in that mixture, and boom, homemade cleaning wipes that'll make your place sparkle. Easy, affordable, and you're saving the planet one wipe at a time. Ever need an ice pack but don't have one? Grab a resealable bag, fill it with dish soap, and toss it in the freezer. Dish soap stays colder longer and molds perfectly to whatever you need it for. Bump your head? Dish soap ice pack. Sprained your ankle? Dish soap ice pack. Tired of your fresh herbs wilting? Trim the stems, put them in a glass of water like a bouquet, and cover them loosely with a plastic bag. Store them in the fridge, and they'll stay fresh and flavorful for days, even weeks. Treat those herbs like the VIPs they are. You're welcome, Gordon Ramsay. Boiling over pots? The worst. Grab a wooden spoon and place it across the top of your pot while cooking. It's like magic, preventing a boiling water volcano from erupting on your stove. You're welcome. Weak Wi-Fi? Move your router to a high shelf, away from electronics. For an extra boost, cut open an empty soda can and place it behind your router's antenna like a reflector. Standing at the door, keys in hand, trying to figure out which one unlocks the front door? Grab some nail polish or colored tape and give each key its own unique look. No more fumbling, no more wasted time. Just you and your color-coded keys conquering the world, one door at a time. Taking out the trash and the bag slips? Attach binder clips to the edges of your garbage bin and secure the bag to the clips. No more slipping, no more messes. Just a clean, organized bin, ready for all your trash-related needs. Need a phone stand? Use your sunglasses. Place them on a flat surface and rest your phone in the frame. Boom! Instant phone stand. Perfect for watching videos or taking calls. Freeing up your hands for more important things, like snacking. That's a wrap. 10 simple life hacks that actually work. Drop a comment below and let me know which hack you're most excited to try. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. See you in the next video.